Imagine waking up and facing a stranger in the mirror. It's your reflection, but something feels off. It's not about how you look, it's the unsettling sense of mistrust. You no longer trust or respect the person staring back at you. The hard truth? You might not respect yourself anymore. This happens because you keep breaking promises to yourself unknowingly. Let's dive into why this happens and how you can change it. First, think about the promises you make to yourself. You pledge to rise early, but end up hitting snooze. You commit to studying, but find yourself scrolling endlessly online. You vow to change, but remain the same, stuck in old patterns. Each broken promise silently reminds your brain you don't mean what you say. Imagine a friend who constantly lies. Would you trust them? Probably not. So why trust yourself when you're doing the same thing to yourself? Building self-respect isn't about grand gestures or dramatic changes. It's the small, consistent actions you take when nobody's watching. Next, consider how often you say yes when you want to shout no. You might do it to avoid conflict, appear polite, or keep others happy. Each agreement that disregards your boundaries damages your identity. Over time, these moments accumulate and shape you with guilt instead of clarity. If you never stand up for your time, energy, or values, you'll feel unworthy. Then there's the habit of shrinking yourself to fit in with others. You mute your opinions, downplay ambitions, and make yourself smaller. Others might appreciate you, but deep down, you know you're living a lie. This watered-down version of yourself isn't genuine or worthy of respect. Lastly, let's talk about the endless chase for validation. For some, seeking likes, compliments, and approval feels like breathing. The catch? Depending on others' affirmations makes you doubt your own worth. You become a puppet, waiting for applause to feel valued and alive. Relying on external validation tells yourself, I'm not enough on my own. Respect has to be self-generated. It can't be outsourced to others. Let me clarify. This isn't about shaming yourself for past mistakes. It's about becoming aware and making choices with honesty, not perfection. Starting today, keep the promises you make to yourself. Say no when it truly matters, even if it's uncomfortable. Stand firm in your beliefs and values, no matter the pressure. Stop seeking approval from the world to be who you are. The quickest way to earn your respect is by living authentically. Try this approach tonight and share your experiences below.